This episode follows a practical path from plate to peak, showing how balanced meals fuel workouts and mood. A simple method like half-plate veggies, a quarter protein, and a quarter whole grains keeps energy steady. Then, a progressive home workout tailored for beginners moves to intermediate steps, built with safety and consistency in mind. To protect mental wellness, it shares micro-rituals, quick breathwork, and a personal story of fatting burnout. Leave with a 3-day plan, easy swaps, and the belief that small actions consistently compound into lasting health.